Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure both AirPods and your phone are charged and paired. Once paired, update firmware if prompted, because firmware can limit loud output for safety. Next, open Settings and go straight to Sounds and Haptics. This is where the device enforces volume rules. You'll need access to the main audio controls now, so stop background audio. Once done, keep the phone unlocked and the AirPods connected. This prevents the system from throttling volume while you change the limits. Now remove software restrictions. In Setting Sounds and Haptics Headphone Safety, disable the Reduce Loud Sounds toggle and confirm. Then open Settings Music and ensure any volume limit is disabled. Set EQ to Late Night to compress dynamics and increase perceived loudness. Use Control Center or the side volume buttons to raise volume to 100%. Make adjustments slowly to confirm audio quality. Compression and EQ change perceived loudness without adding distortion, which is why these finish by testing with a high-quality, full-range track so you hear real output. Adjust EQ if needed. If volume still seems limited, reset your AirPods. Put them in the case, hold the setup button until the light flashes, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, then repair. Also check accessibility audio/visual for the left-right balance slider and set it centered. If none of this works, use a wired adapter or external amplifier as a last resort. If problems persist, try another source to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.